Vectorized lookups of Pandas series to a dictionary. Problem statement. A Pandas dataframe column series, same_group needs to be created from booleans according to the values of two existing columns, row and col. The row needs to show true if both cells across a row have similar values, intersecting values, in a dictionary memberships, and false otherwise, no intersecting values. How do I do this in a vectorized way, not using apply? Setup. The desired goal. How do I accomplish creating this new column based on a lookup on a dictionary? Note that I'm trying to find intersection, not equivalence. For example, row 4 should have a same_group of 1, since A and Y are both vowels, despite that Y is sometimes a vowel and thus belongs to groups consonant and vowel.
Produce wanted result.
Idea: let's convert your list of vowel, consonant, to binary, 1, 2, and use bitwise operations. Setup. Solution. Timing, against 3.1 meters rows df.
Here is an attempt. I slice the data using illoc. Memberships my_slice gives me the value in dictionary memberships, and in memberships my_slice returns 1 if true and 0 if false, making it easy to append that number directly in the new column same_group.
1 assim morrer, criar-se chance de subsídio.